Now that we've discussed the different types of play, let's talk a little bit about how that looks functional at home. So if you have the exploratory play, if your child is not doing exploratory play, if they're not shaking it, banging it, putting it in their mouth, exploring their environment, help them to be able to do it. Maybe there's something that they really like. Maybe they like the crinkly toys that make noise. Put it just out of their way, or put it right in their way, and then give them something else that makes a similar sound to that. You can try tinfoil, right? I mean, don't let them eat that, right? But you can put something that's going to crinkle and make similar noises to that. So now they're kind of exploring, wait a second, I'm in control of my environment. I can start to explore what's around me. Wait, that tasted different. I would like some more of that. Let me start communicating with mom. I would like more of that, right? Exploratory play is a great way where children start to actually realize that they can manipulate their environment. What a powerful thing for humans to be able to recognize that they can manipulate their environment through communication. Ultimately, that's what communication is. We're just manipulating everything around us. Is we're communicating. We use manipulation in most often in negative terms, but it's not. When it comes to communication, I tell you how I feel, right? I'm not manipulating you to feel the same way that I do, but I am manipulating you to now understand what I'm thinking and what I'm feeling.